How to BUI BNB BNB Agents Token Crypto Coin. Before we dive into the process of purchasing the BNB Agent Token, BNBI, I want to remind you that this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not providing professional investment advice. Always make sure to do your own research before investing in any project you find on my channel or elsewhere. Please remember that investing in cryptocurrencies can be risky, and it's important to understand what you're investing in before making any decisions. In the description below, you'll also find referral codes that allow you to receive free rewards and bonuses when using specific platforms like MixC. You can use these codes, fund your account, and take advantage of the benefits. Step 1. Understand the BNB Agent Token, BNBI. Before purchasing the BNBAI token, it's essential to understand the project and its purpose. The BNB Agent Token operates under the symbol BNBI, which is associated with a project built on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC. This token is part of a larger ecosystem that offers various features, including decentralized finance, DeFi, utilities, and staking opportunities. Make sure you research the project behind BNBI thoroughly. You can do this by checking out the official white paper, community discussions, and recent project updates to ensure you're making an informed decision. Step 2. Create an account on a cryptocurrency exchange. The BNB Agent Token, BNBI, can be purchased on several cryptocurrency exchanges. In this guide, we will focus on MixC, but it may also be available on other exchanges like Gate.io. If you don't already have an account on MixC, follow these steps. Sign up for MixC. Go to the official MixC website and click Sign Up to create an account. This process typically involves providing an email address, creating a password, and completing identity verification for added security. Deposit funds. Once you've set up your account, the next step is to fund it. You can deposit funds via USD, cryptocurrency, or other methods depending on the exchange's offerings. For example, you can deposit USD or use popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum to purchase BNBI. Secure your account. It's always a good idea to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for additional security. This way, even if someone gains access to your password, they won't be able to access your account without the second verification step. Step 3. Find the BNBI token. Now that your account is set up and funded, let's move on to locating the BNBI token. Search for BNBI. On the exchange platform, there's a search bar where you can enter the token symbol, BNBI. This will bring up the trading page for the BNB Agent Token. Check for availability. BNBI may be listed under different trading pairs such as BNBI/USDT, Tether, or BNBI/ETH, Ethereum. Make sure to choose the correct pair based on your available balance. Review the token's market data. Take a moment to review the current price, market cap, volume, and other relevant information. This will help you understand the market conditions before making a purchase. Step 4. Place your order, market, or limit. Once you've found BNBI and are ready to make a purchase, you'll need to decide on the type of order you want to place. Market order. If you want to buy BNBI quickly at the current market price, a market order is the easiest option. You'll be purchasing at the price available at the moment, and your order will be executed almost instantly. Limit order. If you prefer to buy BNBI at a specific price, you can place a limit order. For example, if you want to buy BNBI at $1, but the current price is $1.10, you can set a limit order at $1. Once the price reaches that level, your order will automatically be filled. Set your purchase amount. Decide how many BNBI tokens you want to buy and enter that number into the order form. You will also see how much USD or other cryptocurrency you'll need to pay for the purchase. Step 5. Review and confirm your purchase. Once you've set your order, it's time to review the details. Check your order. Before confirming, ensure that the amount of BNBI and the price are correct. Double-check the fees, as most exchanges charge a small fee for every trade. Confirm the order. After reviewing the details, click the Buy button to execute the order. The platform will process your transaction, and you should see the BNBI tokens in your account shortly. Step 6. Secure your tokens. After purchasing the BNBI tokens, it's important to consider the security of your assets. Many exchanges provide the option to store your tokens directly on their platform, but for added security, you might want to transfer them to a private wallet. There are different types of wallets available, including hardware wallets. These are physical devices that store your tokens offline, providing the highest level of security. Software wallets. These are digital wallets that you can install on your computer or mobile device. By moving your tokens to a secure wallet, you reduce the risk of losing your investment if something were to happen to the exchange. Step 7. Monitor the market and stay updated. After purchasing BNBI, make sure to monitor its price and news updates. Cryptocurrencies can experience significant price fluctuations, so it's important to stay informed. Set price alerts. Many exchanges, including MixC, allow you to set price alerts. This way, you'll be notified when the price of BNBI reaches your target level. Follow news. Keep an eye on the latest developments from the project's team. They may release updates, partnerships, or news that could affect the value of the token. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and you should always conduct your own research and consult with a professional before making any investment decisions. Cryptocurrency investments carry risks, and it's important to invest only what you can afford to lose.